Port Control Bravo, Port Control Bravo. This is Motor Vessel Precision. How do you read me?
Precision, this is Port Control Bravo. Read you excellent, loud and clear. Change to channel 12, over.
Port Control Bravo, changing to 12, channel over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is Port Control. What is your ETA at pilot station, over?
Port Bravo, yes, I carry dangerous cargo on board, over.
Precision, your message is understood. You must call when you pass the Alpha Island in channel 12, over.
Port Control Bravo, we call when we pass Alpha Island on channel 12, over.
Precision, standby at channel 16 and 12, out.